Hello, everyone. Welcome back. We all love Canva for creating stunning graphics, our social media posts, creating wonderful designs, posters, and flyers. But did you know they've launched an AI video generation tool in beta?
What?
Now, we know there are tons of AI video generators popping up, but here's the game changer. With Canva, you don't have to bounce between different apps and different computers and different interfaces on your laptop or computer. Imagine having the opportunity to be able to create your graphics and your videos all in one place, especially with a massive customizable library filled with templates at your fingertips. That's just a huge win for Canva. So today, I am actually going to show you how to use this video generation tool in Canva and how to produce AI-powered videos in just minutes. And because Canva's interface is a drag and drop interface, it's incredibly easy to customize, even if you have zero graphics experience. So if you're a content creator, a marketer, a small business owner, or somebody who's been using Canva mostly for graphics and not for videos, this is for you. Let's see the capabilities of Canva's AI video generation tool now. Let's dive in. All right, so here we are in Canva. This is a pro account, but you do have access to some usage of this, even with a free account, to the best of my understanding. As you can see here, it says free users get 10 lifetime uses across all of Magic Design. For other AI video generation apps like Magic Media's text to video, free users get 5 free time lifetime uses. Or you can upgrade to Canva Pro and get 50 uses per user per month. So it gives you an idea on the usage there. So once you're logged in and you have created your account, you want to obviously go to your design, which is what we're going to do here, so that you can take advantage of the AI video generation tool. And what you want to do is go to the menu section on the left here and go to Magic Media once you have created or opened up the project that you want to work in. So we're going to go to Magic Media here. Now, as you can see in Magic Media, you could create images, graphics, or videos. And since we're creating videos, we are going to go to the video tab here. That's how you get there. And as you can see, it says describe what you'd like to create, and it's still in beta. Now, we're going to look at this tool in two ways. One is we're actually going to look at the Inspire Me prompts that they have here to see what they produce. And then we're actually going to put in our own prompts that we've created externally in there to see if it gives us exactly what we want. Because the Inspire Me prompts here will totally align with Canva's creation process is what I'm thinking. And then the ones we put in there, we don't know what that output's going to look like. So that's what I want to test here. So that, let's say you are a realtor who wants to create a video about giving keys to your new homeowners that you just sold a house to, will it give us that vibe? Which is what we want to know. So the first thing we're going to do, again, is go to Inspire Me here and see what it says. So it says steady rack focus portrait shot of a BIPOC woman standing in an office space in professional cinematography style. So that's off the inspiration. And a BIPOC is Black, Indigenous, and people of color, in case you wanted to know what that meant. And so as you can see at the bottom here, it says use one of 49 credits. And so, which means when I generate the video, I'm going to be using a credit here. So I'm going to click Generate Video. And as you see, it says, grab your popcorn. A brand new video inspired by your scene is being generated. It should be ready in 1 to 2 minutes. And as you can see here, it's showing you as the generation is happening, the progress of it with this bar steadily moving to the right to completion. Okay, and there it is. It's finished generating. So once you put your mouse on it, you can start to see how it's being created. So let's go over here and see how this is. So I'm going to play it here, and then you could see how that is. So the person looks realistic. You get the vibe of what's going on in the back there. So I'm just going to move this to the top here, and that's a good one. Now, one thing to note, which they're clearly saying here, is that we're evolving this new technology with you. So please report this video if it doesn't seem right. So you have that option. And of course, since they're in beta, you can expect that to be happening. So we're going to clear that and then add our own prompt in here to see what we get. So in this instance, we are going to create a video that a realtor could use to be able to market themselves, whether on social media or on YouTube or something of that sort. So let's try that here. So I am going to put in the prompts here, and it says close up of keys being handed to a happy couple standing on a sunlit porch in warm cinematic tones, transitioning to a wide shot of them entering their new home through a brightly lit doorway in vibrant cinematic colors. And so we're going to generate and see what we get out of here based off of that prompt. And it's the same model again. As you can see, it takes 1 to 2 minutes, which I think is phenomenal, that you don't have to wait like 8 minutes for your video to render like some other apps out there, which I do understand because they do bring out really good visuals and it might need that much time for rendering, which of course, as you know, with time, all that will change. You can expect that these tools will get faster. Video rendering is going to be quicker, even with apps like Canva AI, where those 8 minutes are going to be cut short to seconds, right? As we progress with this wonderful artificial intelligence technology. All right, so here we are. Let's see what we have. Do we have anything that shows or matches that? Okay, so here it is. I'm going to play it. Close up of keys being handed to a happy couple standing out. Nope, not what we got. All right, so we didn't get that the way we wanted it to, which a lot of the other video tools probably would have gotten that. So it starts to let us know the limitations that we have here. So what I'm going to do is remove all those transitions and all that stuff to have a single static scene, sort of like what we have on top here, so that we aren't complicating things too much for the AI tool. So what I'm going to do in this instance is take out this prompt and then put in a very simple prompt this time, as far as I believe, which says a wide shot of a family excitedly entering their new home through a brightly lit doorway captured in vibrant cinematic colors, showcasing the excitement of new beginnings. And we're going to generate the video again and see what happens here. So here we go. Let's see what we have here. Okay, interesting. Wow, wow. All right, I'm going to just move it right here and push this to the side here and let's see what we got. And I'm going to play it. Okay, so you see the family walking in, but there is just a lot of blurry stuff going on in here. So I am not too sure Canva is as perfect yet, or when it comes to generating videos, because other video tools will probably generate it way better than this. And again, like I said, this is what they had as an inspiration here, so you could see the difference. Now I'm going to go over here and then refresh this tab again, go to videos, go to inspire me again, and let's see what we can. The inspire me generates again over here. Wide orbit shot with slow tilt from bottom to top, showing the vast expanse of rolling sand dunes. Tracking shot of employees walking through colorful creative office slow-mo. This seems to be a very good one because, again, it's about the people. As you can see, we're not here, the people didn't look too good. So we're going to generate this video now with the tracking shot of employees to see how people look. All right, and here we have it. So let's see what we got. Here are the people walking. So I'm going to click here so we can see a bigger shot of this video here and see what we have. Nope, still a lot of smearing going on. Yeah. So as you can see, when it comes to people, I'm not too sure that we get the best out of the AI video generation tool in Canva, because when people are moving, as you can see, it's kind of blurred. That's the same effect that we have here. It's kind of blurred too. And here it just didn't even get it at all. In this picture, it just did not even capture it at all. Now, I'm actually going to do this again where we don't have people in there, using another inspirational prompt that they have for us here. So I'll refresh, go to the video tab, and then inspire me again. So this time we're going to do a drone shot panning over the ocean at sunset, golden natural light. Let's generate the video here and see, because now we don't have anybody in here. And we will see what the outcomes are, if this is just more useful when it comes to scenes and not necessarily people. So we'll move all these down here so we can create space for them. We are almost there now, so let's see the scene that we have. So as you can see, that looks pretty good. I'll move it to the top here. Yeah, not bad. Quite realistic looking, as you can see. So I'm leaning towards more scenes and not necessarily people when it comes to this. So now the beauty of this is, as you can see, again, it's so wonderful that you could just drag and drop your videos in here. You can edit the video by picking filters. As you can see, we could change the filters in here, which I think is also really cool. You can remove the background if you're a pro subscriber. The intensity of the filters, you can adjust it right here. Your playback speed, if you want it to be faster, you can go right there and you see how fast it is when it's playing and when you want to slow it down. And then you could also play on repeat if you wanted to, and it just plays on repeat. So those are your options that you have. And just the opportunity that I can move all these videos around here, which I just think is so phenomenal and so cool. So, but at least you have an understanding of how the AI tool works in Canva. And looking at all what we've done here, you might just have come to the realization that we still have a ways to go when it comes to AI video generation with the smoothness, the blurriness and whatnot, which you probably can expect that'll be modified as time goes by because, of course, again, Canva is predominantly a graphics tool. And again, they say this is in beta, so you know this is under development. But at least you have an idea on how you could use this now in Canva, how you can also move your videos around, even if they're not created in Canva, and import it into your project here, and how you can edit them with the filters, the playback, and even under adjust where you could do the contrast, the brightness, the shadows, all that stuff available to you. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.